Hi everyone, it's Fadrik. So in the first episode of this series, we talked about the core value of programming, that is teaching a stupid machine how to make our life easier. After that, we talked about how we chose our path and what skills we need to be a better developer. But in every situation in life, we can't succeed without team or friends. And in programming, your friends can actually be other machines. The greatest AI you will ever need, the craziest AI alive. Drum rolls please. It's Google. No surprise about that. And if anyone is living under a rock and don't know what Google is, his creators described it better than everyone. Google is simply a small box. You write what you want into it, and voila, the answer will just appear with no further question asked. So for example, I want to program a Discord bot. Yep. I want to make a platformer with Unity. Ooh, these are some cool tutorials. Oh man, Unity suck. I meant let's try Game Maker. Sorry Unity, I love you by the way. It's that easy. All you have to do is open a URL, follow the steps until you become good enough to move along. Maybe after finishing a tutorial, it's time to add a power-up, or a boss, or even more monsters to your game. If you don't like machines and AI, you can find a ton of forums on the subject you are interested in to search about your questions, and I'm sure you will find your answer. For example, I use Stack Overflow, of course, for a lot of programming problems, and you can also use Unity forums or Unity answers if you are into game development with Unity. And if you're an artist and need some inspiration, you can always check, for example, ArtStation. In the end, a big chunk of the learning process is to learn how to use the search engines and how to optimize them to help you and yield you the best results. In the next and final episode, we will talk about programming communities and are they really useful? And what is the best way to use and explore them. And now, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also join us on Discord. Links in the description, and see you all in the next episode.